This is mod 1 for the wide leg QL stretch. Starting with your legs in a V position, just opening those legs to a place where it feels comfortable for your inner thighs and bending the knees, making sure that you feel safe into the backs of your legs. Nice long spine. You're gonna reach your arms out shoulder height, turn your palms up towards the ceiling. This is your setup. From here, we're gonna rotate along the axis of the spine first. So find your rotation towards the left. Place your right elbow on the inside of your right knee and bring your left fingertips just behind your left ear. From here, you're gonna take an inhale, and as you exhale, you're gonna lift your chest up towards the ceiling. The stretch here is in your QL, so that's that muscle that surrounds the lower back. The action here is in that left sit bone, so you're actively pushing that left butt cheek down into the floor as you lift the chest up towards the ceiling. To come out, draw your belly button into your lower back, come back up through to neutral, and take a breath. Breathe in, let it go, and make sure that you do the other side.